man? What's up? What's up? Nice bike. Like it. I like Hardys too. I'm more of a sports bike type of guy, but I like the cruisers. I like the Hardys. Chicago, Illinois. It is gorgeous. It's not too hot, not too cold, not too windy, just right. Check the time. We got the phone up right here on the phone now. It holds up good. It's nice. I like it. It's sturdy. I got mine off of Amazon. You can find the same one on Amazon or similar. If you don't have one and you need one. like button is somewhere right here. Please click that for me. It's free to do. It helps the video perform better. It helps YouTube make our videos go trending when you guys like them. So please like our videos. Subscribe to the channel too. It's somewhere down here in the left corner. It's free to do. Hit the bell notification button. It's right there next to the subscribe button, like right down here under the video. Hit that bell notification button, and then once it pops up a list of things to do, just click on all, and then you get notified for all rides that I upload. And I'm gonna end the ride up here, school bump, at the light. So honestly, we've been recording for a decent amount of time. Still trying to figure out how to go live. We need 1,000 subscribers to go live. We're at 234 subscribers, so thank you for everybody that subscribes to the channel. You guys are amazing. I want to get 1,000 subscribers so you go live, and then watch all my videos from the beginning to the end, all the rides from the beginning to the end, so you can watch them hours so you get monetized. That's my goal. Just to get monetized is one of my goals. I have a lot of goals, and then another goal is to get 10,000 subscribers before the end of the season, which I don't know if we're going to do yet, but I'm working hard on it. And how you guys tell me is just by subscribing to the channel. That's how you guys tell me. How I could help is by uploading as much content as I can. That's how I can help. YouTube, you can help me too if you put my videos in trending videos. That would be real nice for you guys to do, for your company to do for me. Because I would like to work for YouTube for a long time and make money from it eventually. That's my goal. I'm not saying I'm going to be the next Mr. Beast, but I would like to be successful on this platform. Did pass the light, so I am going to end the vlog coming up there, guys. Once we get into town, I'll end it. I hope y'all enjoyed this ride. I recorded 3 rides today and then a few short clips for a montage we put it together for you guys. I am making another montage for y'all because I saw everybody likes the lifestyle montage. That video done very good. If you didn't see it, go check it out. It's on our channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm going to get into the left lane and I'm going to cut the ride right here.